It's my great pleasure to be with you for the 1 week national level faculty development program organized by Postgraduate Department of Computer Science and Engineering of Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati. I thank to the organizer for giving me this opportunity to share my view about this faculty development program. Since long period, we have seen and we are using classroom teaching. We are well acquainted with this method and hence we are comfortable with the classroom teaching. It is human tendency that he is not ready to change his comfort zone. He is not ready to come out from its comfort zone and hence he is not ready to accept any method even though it is more comfortable as well as it has additional advantages. But under some circumstances or often or after certain events, we have to change our traditional method. For example, before denomination, we are using cash payment, but after denomination, we have shifted from cash payment to e-payment. COVID-19 is the event in which we realize that traditional classroom teaching method is not possible. In order to maintain social distancing, we must use some other method and now we are thinking about online teaching. We have to shift from classroom teaching to online teaching. But in this shifting, there is a problem because we are not well versed with the online teaching. Thus, we are in the need of some information, some training about the online teaching. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering has identified the need of the teachers at the proper moment and they have taken an initiative to organize a 1 week national faculty development program on G-Suite and allied tools in education, teaching and e-content development. I therefore congratulate Dr. V.M. Thakre, Professor and Head, Department of Computer Science and Engineering and all the staff members of the department. They have selected a good topic which is the need of our teachers and they have also organized the event at the proper moment because at this point we are in need of such training. I am sure that this faculty development program will provide a platform to the teachers. They will be motivated and they will get a training about how to use e-platform. Nowadays there are number of e-tools for online teaching, learning and assessment. It is very important to select a proper tools. The selected tool must be user friendly, its handling must be easy, its features must be suitable for the teachers as well as the student of the urban and rural area so that it can be used by maximum teacher as well as student. Another problem is we are a teacher and using the classroom teaching, we cannot develop a e-content. We need a training to develop a e-content and this faculty development program will also use how to create e-content, the organizer has invited different resource persons. They are expert in this field. I am confident that they will motivate and provide the training to the teachers so that after this faculty development program, they can successfully use this e-platform. They will able to develop the e-content. This e-content will also useful at national level such as SWAYAM, NPTEL or other MOOCs. I am also sure that this faculty development program will be very useful for successful transition from classroom teaching to online teaching as per the UGC direction. Now we have to use at least 25% online teaching method and 75% classroom teacher. But I am of the opinion that after the faculty development program, the percentage of online teaching may be more than 25, and this will be the success of this faculty development program. After the training, after the motivation, after the completion of faculty development program, I am sure that the teacher will be expert in online teaching and they will utilize their experience, their training to the student so that the student can also use can participate in the online program. Once again, I thank organizer for giving me this opportunity. I extend my best wishes for the grand success of this faculty development program. Thank you very much. Thank you.